Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is SITI Noor Aqilah binti Mohd Yazed, and today I will explain about my individual project. So today I am presenting my individual project for this semester. I have updated and enhanced the application I developed last semester, which is DRE, and I have integrated several new case features, specifically online and offline synchronization, a voice-to-text function to easier input, and dedicated notes section for quick task management. Okay, so this is the my coding. So we go first to the note service that, which is for database operation for notes that user can add, update, delete, and search. So here the coding for add a new note, and user also can update existing note that they write, and here the delete note. So next we go to the notes page dot, which is display list all notes and shows the search bar and note cards. So here the coding store all notes that field result. Actually I use Hive for local database, and then this is coding for for create a new note. Here the code for delete the confirmation alert, which is the user want delete or cancel the notes, and then it show format for time or dates, which is right today, yesterday, or the date when user write it, the notes. And then have several colors, which is we have yellow, green, blue, pink, purple, and amber. Next we go to the notes form page dot, which is for form to create or edit a single note. You also have available color option, same like before. And then is the coding for to save note database that user create. Users also can update the note that they write before. So regarding the UI design for the notes list, I apply two main guested principles, which is similarity. I use identical card shapes, font hierarchies, and red delete icons for every note. This allows user to immediately recognize that each item in the list serves the same function. And second one is common region. Each note is enclosed within its own colored container, which is green or blue. By placing the text and icons within these distinct boundaries, the user perceives all the information inside of the box as singles related group. Next we go to the online and offline part. So this is network helper coding for, actually this code for checks to internet connection status, also can detect Wi-Fi and mobile data lah. Here's is coding for check if device has internet or not. Here more reliable that just checking in connectivity, and then return true if can actually access internet. Next we go to the offline status widget, which is this for visual indicator showing connection status, and can display green banner for online and orange banner for offline. But if I close the internet, so that will show orange banner lah for offline. Here, check internet connection by attempting to reach Google DNS. Here the loops for internet connection and connection timeout, and then it show notification pop-up only if status change. Next we go to the next we go to the voice to text. This is coding for word to text, which is voice helper Dart that converts speech to text and uses device microphone lah. Actually, this is an initialized speech recognition, and can check if the microphone permission is granted or not. Actually, this speech to text only can in English, cannot Malay. Also, recording for start listening and stop listening also can cancel to listening lah. And for dependencies, I use speech to text and permission handler, and also we have Hive for local database. So for the new entry screen, which features the voice to text integration, the design follows this principle, which is proximity. The mood emojis are placed closely together in a grid format because of their physical closeness. Users naturally perceive them as one category of selection, in this case feeling or mood. And then second one, all inputs fields such as the title and write your thoughts areas share the same border, style and rounded corners. This consistent styling signals to the user that these are all interactive data entry. So for interface for new notes, on the new note screen where users can customize their notes, I apply two guested principles, which is similarity. The note color selectors, which is yellow, green, blue and so on, are all designed as identical pill buttons with the same size and layout. This tells the user they are a part of single menu of option. The second one is proximity. I have placed the note color label directly above the color chips. This close distance ensures the user understands that the label describes the items immediately below, creating a visual relationship. And then for home diary, I also apply two guested principles, which is similarity. Even the code section, online mode status and diary entry contain different types of data. They are all housed in similar rounded cards. This creates a cohesive and organized look throughout the app. The second one, we have figure ground. I use a bright orange color for the floating action button, which is the plus button, against the pale background. This height contrast make the button, the figure pop out from the background, making the primary action of adding a new entry very easy to find. So this is my apps. Here I have a few diary that I try to apply. It's okay. I try to use the speech to text, and then I try to image any any image. So save entry. We also can go to the diary calendar to check the it's like yesterday, and this was one today. Okay, and then we go to offline modes that show offline modes or online mode, sorry. And then if I close the data or Wi-Fi, it show offline mode with the orange banner. Then we go to the notes. Here I have several notes that I try to input lah yesterday. So today I just input any random content, okay? So I choose blue and then create the notes. So also we can delete it. Delete. Here also we have a setting to dark mode. Actually I tried to use a biometric, but I don't know why I cannot use it in this phone. So I think that's all. So I think that's all from me. Thank you.